Welcome to Crypto Basics, a beginner's guide. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, this video is for you. In this guide, we will cover the basics of cryptocurrencies, how they work, and what you need to know to get started. What are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use cryptography to secure their transactions and to control the creation of new units. Unlike traditional currencies, they are decentralized and operate independently of central banks. Examples of popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon, Cardano and Litecoin. How do cryptocurrencies work? Cryptocurrencies use a decentralized ledger called the blockchain to record all transactions. Each block contains a set of transactions and a unique cryptographic signature that links it to the previous block, forming a chain of blocks that cannot be altered once they are recorded. Miners validate the transactions and add them to the blockchain in exchange for rewards, which is how new units of the cryptocurrency are created. Why are cryptocurrencies important? Cryptocurrencies have the potential to revolutionize the financial industry by making transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. They can also provide financial freedom to people who do not have access to traditional banking services. Moreover, blockchain technology can be used to create decentralized applications, which can solve a variety of problems in different industries. How to get started with cryptocurrencies? To get started with cryptocurrencies, you first need to choose a wallet to store your coins. You can choose from desktop, mobile, or hardware wallets, depending on your preferences. Then, you need to purchase some cryptocurrencies from a reputable exchange, such as Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, or Kraken. Finally, you can start using your cryptocurrencies to make transactions or hold them as a long-term investment. That's it for Crypto Basics, a beginner's guide. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, cryptocurrencies are still a new and evolving technology, so it's important to do your own research and invest wisely. Thank you for watching, and happy crypto investing! If you are enjoying this content, please consider subscribing.